Lezi indaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ikomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli. Bukele nazi ezinohlonze emini nje.
I don't know today he's going to come to tell us why is the day to come the bus to take us to go. I don't know.
Bayaqhubeka nokuthutheleka eThekwini abokufika iningi labo okungaba seMalawi abalangazelela usizo lokuthi babuyiselwe kwela kubo nakubo isikhungo sesikhashana bezivuliwe sokulungiselela ukuthuthwa kwabo sesivaliwe.
Nigel Jones has provided in his briefing details around the cases that have been opened that are related to criminal activities since the protests.
Ungqongqoshe ehhovisi likaMengameli uKhumbuzo Ntshabeni sencome amalungu omphakathi ngokuzibandakanya embhikishweni binokuthula elwisana nabokufika abakuleli ngongemthetho.
While the Presidential Act does allow privileges to flow to former presidents, it does not allow them to run a parallel foreign policy.
Ihhovisi lomnyango wezobudlelwane namazwe omhlaba lithi lizofuna ukuthola incazelo ngohambo lwaseNdiya lomholi we-MK Party uJacob Zuma lapho ebonakala khona nomunye wabakwaGupta abafunelwa amacala kuleli. Ukuthula kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni zehora lokuqala ezingunqa phambili kanti futhi ke ezihamba phambili ku-SABC 1 Mzansi for sure kanjalo ke naku-SABC lihayi igama lami nginguDawud Phungula mbukela ke singele kuzo ezihamba phambili emini nje. Ungqongqoshe ehhovisi likaMengameli uKhumbuzo Ntshabeni usencome amalungu omphakathi ngokuzibandakanya embhikishweni benokuthula elwisana ke nabokufika abakuleli ngokungemthetho. Uthi nakuba ke zibe khona izihibe ke phakama amasha ahleliwe alandeleke imithetho.
Ungqongqoshe uthi ngokombiko abawuhlinzekwe ngodaba lwembhikisho yangolwesibili iningi layo ibinokuthula nakuba zibe khona izigameko ezimbalwa zobugebengu. Uthi abanye ababoshiwe kulezi zigameko sebevelile ezinkantolo.
Nigel Jones has provided in his briefing details around the cases that have been opened that are related to criminal activities since the protests or against
Bayaqhubeka nokuthutheleka eThekwini abokufika iningi labo okungaba seMalawi abalangazelele kusizo lokuhlinzekwa ngohlelo lokuthi babuyiselwe kwela kubo nakuba ke isikhungo sesikhashana bezivuliwe ke sokulungiselela ukuthutha kwabo sesivaliwe. Noma kunjalo ke bayaqhubeka ke nokuthutheleka kuyona ke le ndawo kanti bangaphezulu kwamakhulu amahlanu abantu ke bangaphandle okumanje abahleleke ngaphandle lapha ke eDurban Drive-in.
Abokufika nokukholakala ukuthi iningi labo lidabuka eMalawi futhi alinamaphepha abagunyaza ukuba babekuleli namanje bathi banethemba lokuthi bazowathola amabhasi azobabuyisela kwela kubo. Njengoba sekuyizinsuku behleli lapha bathi kunzima kakhulu njengoba amakhaza engazibekile phansi.
Don't know today he's going to come to tell us why is the day to come the bus to take us to go. I don't know.
So I'm waiting for buses since from 1 until today. He promised he's going to arrange the buses to come, but you know this. There's a lot of women, children. Mornings is very cold. Afternoon there's no any toilet here, so I need assist to ask for toilet and I need to, is possible to give us a transportation from here to go back home. What I want is like that because I can't stay on cold place like this with the children and women.
Abokufika bathi bazoqhubeka nokuhlalalana kuze kube bathola usizo.
Kusenjalo intatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC uZanele Buthelezi uhambele kwenye yeindawo eMarine Hill eThekwini njengoba ke kuqhubeka ufuduko ngodaba ke labokufika.
Sisendaweni ekwaziwa ngokuthi iseDesai eMarine Hill lapho ukushuba komoya sekuphoqa iningi labantu ikakhulukazi labo baqhamuka ezweni laseMalawi ukuthi babaleke emva kokuthi kusolala ukuthi bebesatshiswa ngenxa yalokushuba kwemoya edalwa ukuthi laba abahambisana nokuthi kuxoshwe abantu bokufika abakuleli ngogemthetho nabo beze kule ndawo kulezi insuku ezendlule bexosha abantu umuzi ngomuzi. Kanti njengamanje sinayo omunye wabaholi bendawo umnumzane uDawood Chirwa ongusihlalo we-CPF yala eMarine Hill. Mhlawumbe usichazisela kafushane nje ukuthi isimo sinjani kanti yini le eqale ukuthi ke kube nokushuba komoya la kule ndawo.
Isimo sike sathi ukushuba impela kusukela ngomhla ka-30 kuze kube umhla ka-1 eIntatha. Into iqalela abantu ebebemasha babizwa nge-march and march bebesuka from KwaNdengezi towards iCBD yethu which is uMamdekazi. So emva kwalokho base befuna ke ukuthi bahambe ngo-Akon Road kwabo Tonwood Road no Greville Road la kukhona iningi labantu labo kufika kunane mosque lapha ebizwa ngoGreville Masjid. So into iqale lapho ke amaphoyisa ke ayesebavimba ukuthi bangene ezenzeleni. Kwaba ukuthi kuba khona ke ukudonsisana ngamazwi then ke kwagcina ke amaphoyisa kodwa ngoba anesandla esiqinile base beyabaleka.
Ungqongqoshe ehhovisi likaMengameli uKhumbuzo Ntshabeni usencomeka amalungu omphakathi ngokuzibandakanya embhikishweni ebinokuthula elwisana ke nabokufika abakuleli ngokungemthetho. Kanti ke uthi nakuba zibe khona izihibe kepha ke ama-march laba kade ehleliwe alandele yona lapha nekumthetho.
Ungqongqoshe uthi ngokombiko abawuhlinzekwe ngodaba lwembhikisho yangolwesibili iningi layo ibinokuthula nakuba zibe khona izigameko ezimbalwa zobugebengu. Uthi abanye ababoshiwe kulezi zigameko sebevelile ezinkantolo.
Jones has provided in his briefing details around the cases that have been opened that are related to criminal activities since the protests or against unregular immigration, including the arrests that have been made and the cases that are before the courts. And we are confident that Jones will speedily resolve the cases.
Ungqongqoshe uphinde wancoma umsebenzi oqhubekayo emngceleni yezwe.
Also, Cabinet appreciated that the Border Management Authority continues to intercept irregular immigrants attempting to enter the country lawfully, and those comprised undocumented immigrants and also undesirable persons.
Ngakolunye uhlangothi uhulumeni uthi uzoqinisa ukuthi imithetho yokuqashwa kwezisebenzi iyalandelwa ukuvikela amathuba emisebenzi nokukhulisa umnotho wezwe.
The implementation plans that are outside the mandate of the national intelligence structures, which the NIE emphasizes, is strengthened labor inspection to ensure compliance with South Africa's labor law. 2, strict regulations of local economies to ensure participation and ownership in favor of citizens in line with Section 22 of the Constitution.
Sesinyuke safinyelela kwababili isibalo sabantu abashonile embhikishweni yeziphaza zomphakathi eRatanda eHeidelberg eGauteng. Kanti ke ukuntuleka kwamanzi isikhathi eside kubikwa ukuthi yikho okubhebhethekisekela embhikisho kwalimala ke nabanye abantu ngesikhathi kababhikishi bengqubuzana namaphoyisa.
Beyithi ngibuze mama ukuthi yindaba niqhubeka ukubhikisha kanje.
Inkinga ukuthi mama asinamanzi. Ende abantwana bakhona ukuphuza amanzi, abogogo bakhona ukuphuza amanzi, ende kufa abantu ngokulwela nje amanzi. So sesikhathele, that's why silo, ende so sicela amanzi, sicela basivulela amanzi. Ngoba abogogo bakhona ukuphuza amaphilisi, so angazi ukuthi inkosi senze njani. Bafuna abogogo kuze baze bashone na. Sicela amanzi.
Ngoba ke sekwenzeka ukuthi umeya usendleleni kuthiwa uzokhuluma nabantu nizizwa kanjani ngalokho?
Asikoqala andamanzi awavula and sicela nje akhuluma into right angakhuluma into ebheke eceleni. Sicela amanzi, abantwana bafuna amanzi, abogogo bafuna amanzi, avule nogesi. Abantu abaningi bablockele ugesi abasebenzi ukuthiwa kubhadala ugesi. Sicela ugesi, sicela namanzi.
Ugesi akusona amanzi kuphela nogesi uyinkinga.
Nogesi asimanzi kuphela nogesi. Every month abantu bayabhadala and futhi abakhona ukuthola ugesi. Uyabhadala kule nyanga ezayo uyablocka futhi uyabhadala kule nyanga ezayo futhi uyablocka abantu abasebenzi.
U-Advocate Mohammed Veli omelekeloyo eyinhloko yezomhlolo yesamiswe emsebenzini uMajor General Feroz Khan utshele ikhomishana kaMadlanga ukuthi ukufika kwabo njengabameli bakaKhan phambi kwekhomishana kuyindlela ke yokukhombisa ukuhlonipha umsebenzi wayo ikhomishana. uKhan usesibhedlela ke namanje kulandela ukudutshulwa kwakhe ngempela sonto eyedlule.
The only thing that we can say, Chair will notice that our advocate, Mr. Khan, is not with us today. And that is only because we have not received instructions because of our client's condition.
Major General Feroz Khan bekufanele avele ngaphambi kwekhomishana kaMadlanga ngolwesithathu kepha kwangaba impumelelo lokho njengoba esesibhedlela. Abameli bakhe yibona bafike phambi kwekhomishana bayazisa ukuthi nali igunya lokuba ingayihambela nayo yombheka ukuthi ngabe kusiphi isimo esibhedlela. Abameli bakhe badalule izizathu sabo sokuba kufike bona ngaphambi kwekhomishana njengoba esesibhedlela nje namanje.
The important bit that we now need to draw to the Commission's attention is that we are here out of courtesy and out of respect for the process, and also to have the ability that once our client is of a position to communicate with us again, that we are able to report on the proceedings that occurred in his absence.
Ummeli kaKhan uqhube waveza ukuthi kufanele ngabe ufaka isicelo sokuba kuhlehlisa ukudingidwa kodaba likaKhan namhlanje kepha kazange yalelwe kuba enze lokho.
Having regard to the content of the J88 and the medical report, I would be remiss not to say that I'm tempted to bring an application to postpone, but I can't because I don't have instructions to either bring it or not bring it. So that is the dilemma and the difficulty we find ourselves in. So we are here just to be present and to record. I think those are my submissions. Thank you, Chair.
Usuku lwekhulu namashumi amathathu nambili ikhomishana kaMadlanga iqhubeka nomsebenzi wayo.
Head of Operational Intelligence Support.
Ungqongqoshe wezobudlelwane namazwe omhlaba uRonald Lamola uthi uhulumeni uzofuna ukuthola ke ngencazelo yohambo lwaseNdiya lomholi weMK Party uJacob Zuma lapho ebonakala khona nomunye wabakwaGupta abafunelwa kamacala kuleli. Kusabalaleke inkundleni zokuxhumana izithombe lapho uZuma ebonakala khona noAJ Gupta kwelaseNdiya. AbakwaGupta bafulathela ke la kuleli ngo2018 ngemva kokunindeka kwabo emacaleni enkohlakalo okusafanele bazobhekana nawo la eNingizimu Afrika.
I have noted the newspaper reports and the public information, and we have requested information from our Director General of how the visit happened, the involvement of the DERCO High Commissioner in India, the South African High Commissioner, on which capacity and what was the process that was followed. But we need to explain that, as you are aware, former presidents are entitled to privileges, and some of their privileges include facilitation through our diplomatic protocols. So we will have to inquire, and that's what we're inquiring, to find out how did this happen, what informs it, what was the nature of the visit, and what was the nature of the involvement of our High Commissioner in India. And we must state that while the Presidential Act does allow privileges to flow to former presidents, it does not allow them to run a parallel foreign policy.
Mbukele sathi qhu eyitolo kanti ke sabuya ke nezinye izindaba zosuku ngemva kwekhefu ngayindawo. Mbukela sikubingelele siphinde sikwamukele izindabeni emina sikhumbuza ukuthi le indaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ngena kuzo uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzozithola ngomjalo bazo. Namhlanje kuhlangana iminyaka emibili kwasungulwa uhulumeni wobumbano nowasungulwa ke ngemva kwemphumela yokhetho likazwelonke lika 2024 njengoba kungazange kuba khona ke iqembu elanqoba ukhetho ngengcaca yamavoti.
Sekuphele iminyaka emibili solokho kwasungulwa uhulumeni wobumbano abayingxenye ye-GNU bafungiswa mhla zi-3 kuNtulikazi ngo-2024 emcimbini owawenganyelwe inhloko yamajaji seyathatha umhlalaphansi ijaji uRaymond Zondo.
I accordingly declare Honorable MC Ramaphosa duly elected President Ramaphosa.
Abanye abahlaziyi bezombusazwe baphawulile ngokusebenza kwe-GNU.
The GNU has been an interesting phenomenon because it has brought about political stability. I think political parties are working very well side by side, despite the fact that there have been ups and downs. I think the straw that broke the camel's back was the deadlock over the budget. That is an ideological matter because on the one hand, you have the ANC that believes in an expansionary fiscal policy. On the other hand, you have the DA that believes in fiscal discipline.
There are certain things that have been done by the GNU with a certain respectable degree of success. One of them was to stabilize the electricity grid. Is stabilized, is not performing at the highest level to accelerate industrialization of South Africa. There's been a degree to which the logistics, in other words, the goods trades, has been improved.
Nakuba ungaboni ngasolinye ngezinqobomgomo okuqhubeka, kepha ubuhlakani bokuxazulula izingxabano yikhona okusagcine uhulumeni wobumbano usebenza kuze kube manje.
Inkantolo ephakeme kuGompo City e-Eastern Cape siyalela inyuvesi yaseFort Hare ngokuthi kuzofanele ibukeze isinqumo sayo ngodaba lweziqu eziphakeme ze-masters zikaNdunankulu wase-Eastern Cape Oscar Mabuyane ngemva kokuthi lesikhungo semfundo ephakeme sathatha isinqumo sokumhlunga simkhiphe njengofundela iziqu ze-masters. Inkantolo ivune uMabuyane ngokuthi isinqumo senyuvesi sasingekho emthethweni.
Inkulubaphathiso yephondo leMpuma Koloni uOscar Mabuyane kudala emile esithi ukususa kwakhe njengomfundi kwidyunivesithi yakwaNokholeji into nje enefuthe lezopolitiko nalapho iphenjelelwa khona inqununu emisiweyo unjingalwazi sakhela buhlungu. Inkundla igqibe ukuba le dyunivesithi ize ithwale uxanduva lendleko zamagqwetha kwelityala.
The decision of the first respondent, the university, to deregister the applicant from the academic qualification of Masters in Administration. The qualification is hereby declared unlawful, constitutionally invalid, and it is reviewed and set aside.
Lo kaMabuyane uthi uziva igama lakhe licocekile njeba inkundla igwebele ngakwicala lakhe. Ngoba lomba ubusetyenziswa njengesixhobo sokungcolisa isidima sakhe.
Lishwa endibe nalo kuyo yonke lento yale nquleqhu yelizengezenge zange ndamanyelwa kakuhle. Ndenzelwa amayelenqe, ndimanyelwa ngamayelenqe. Ndibone ukukhohlakala okuphindaphindeneyo kumphathi weUniversity yaseFort Hare.
Ukwathi ngahla athatha amanyathelo omthetho ngakweliziko mfundo. Kusenjalo yona idyunivesithi ithi yasiphonononga isigqibo senkundla kwaye iza kuphefumla ngalomba exesheni. Abongile Yankees kwiindaba ze-SABC kuGompo.
Mbukele sathi qhu eyitolo kanti umasibuya sizobe sikuphathele umhlahlo wesimo sezulu. Mbukeli sizibeka lapha besikuphathele zona emini ke siyabuya nezinye izindaba ngeyohara lesikhombisa kusihlwa kwamanje mbukeli usali kahle.